Hello there guys, and welcome to another episode of Fly Tying with Onims. So today I would like to show you how I make my plastic wings, just like the ones you can see here, or the one on this fly. And since one of you asked, maybe I can help making plastic wings a bit easier. So here you can see the plastic wing chart I made. You can download this from my Patreon in PDF format. The link is in the description. It has 3 wing shapes in different sizes. Make sure to use the standard A4 paper size and set your printer to print at 100%. This way you will get matching hook sizes. But please take note that there can be size differences between manufacturers. I used Hans BL 404 dry hooks for my template, and you can see it's a perfect match. But just like in nature, nothing is written in stone. Wing and hook sizes are variable to your liking. Now there are 2 tools we need. One is your dubbing pin. This is mine. You can see that life has been pretty cruel to it. I've had this one for almost 10 years. And the other tool is a pair of scissors. The sharper the scissors, the better, since size 20 midge wings are tiny. This is also true for the dubbing pin. Make sure its point is sharp and not bent. So for the material for the wing itself, I'm using these clear plastic document sleeves. They are cheap and easy to get and come in a lot of different colors and sizes. For smaller wings, I am using these clear ones, but some of them have this textured surface that really works great with bigger wings. So I am going to make a mayfly wing for a size 10 hook. As you can see from the markings, I have already made a few of them. All we need to do is to place the plastic sheet on the pattern and lightly scratch the outlines of the model into the plastic using your dubbing pin. With one of your hands holding the plastic, use just enough force to mark the surface. Applying too much pressure can warp the material, or you can easily cut through it. It's easier to start at these rectangular boxes. These will be used to fix the wings in position when we are tying the fly, so you can make them longer if you would like. So we are done with the shape. All we have to do is to cut it out. I wouldn't like to insult your intelligence by explaining how to use scissors, so here's a fun fact instead. Did you know that mayfly wings are covered with tiny transparent scales that give them a shimmering glass-like appearance? These small scales, called microtrichia, help keep the wings water repellent. So we are done with the wing. One thing I like to do is to make a stronger line in the middle, so it is easier to bend it in half. Just a small reminder to always recycle plastic accordingly and try not to snag too much of these flies. There's enough microplastics in our waters already. So there you have it. You can download the wing chart from my Patreon, where you can also support my channel. And if you like what I do, you can also like and share this video. And don't forget that every time someone subscribes to my channel, my beard grows another millimeter. Thank you for watching. Bye.